flat surface somewhere. I don't know, man.
It's fine. We can do it. Promoter yarn. To lock it.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's how I feel. Like my
Then put something in your
Hold this.
hot water. This is locked already here. So we have this hot water here. I hope still hot.
Mainit pa siya.
Yeah,
Okay, so I made the right call. So then there's like an area that's like broken down and you have to go up.
still hot.
Yeah, I saw it. Hook up there.
Okay, nice. Let me close that one.
I just said that to you. What are you doing? Stop eating stop.
Yeah. Sealed. Yes.
Then,
Dito natin ilalagay yung una. Wala, dito.
Baliktarin mo pa ba yan, di ba?
Yes. Kasi syempre kailangan niya mag-shoot, no?
Yep.
Okay, maybe you can just let
Pull.
go of the payong. Okay, alright. Ready?
Oo, bango. Oo, and
Mainit.
okay yun. Isang press lang ba? Nilagyan pa ng tubig.
Dalawang presses yan. Lalagyan ko yan ng tubig. For pang 2 servings yan. This is the more potent one. Wala na siya. Wait.
Okay, wait na. Tikman ko nga. My God, para kanino ka bumabangon?
Ay, hindi. Para kanino ka bumabangon?
Yeah, next. Are you gonna put water again?
Ano ba yan? Saan natin lalagay ito?
Akin na, go. Next one. Ang dami mong ginagawa. She gonna put water again.